Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, latinaplants. If you're new here, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on that bell to get notified every time I upload a video. Today we're doing a shop with me at Home Depot. Right here in the entryway, they had some of their succulents and cacti available. They range in prices from $4.68 to $5.68, $5.98. $7.98 and upwards to maybe even $12.98. Some of these have these glued on flowers that I really wish they wouldn't do. They also had these arrangements here from Smart Planet, and they are going for $12.98. They also had the Euphorbia White Ghost back there, and these pots are going for $19.98. They had some grafted cacti as well as these terracotta succulent arrangements, and these go for $7.98. Up top, they had some more succulents and cacti that I just couldn't reach. In this other cart that they had in the entryway, on the other side, they had some more succulents and some aloes. These are really cute succulents. And I think this one is the Golem Jade. And these are going for $6.98. Up top, they had some more different varieties. I thought this one was really cute with the rosy colors. And this is an aloe that looks super sun-stressed. And all of these are going for $6.98. They had more different varieties up there. And now walking into the store, sorry it's so shaky, but yeah, going straight to the Proven Winners Leaf Joy line here. They had some Monstera Adamsonii, as well as your philodendron. What is that plant called? I don't remember, but these pots are going for $19.98. This Adamsonii looks pretty full. Oh, it's the philodendron tortum that I'm going to show you here. Super popular plant. I don't really see the appeal of that plant, but yeah, to each their own. They also had this philodendron here, which is, I believe, the Ring of Fire or Variegated Ring of Fire. I'm not sure what it's called. Also going for $19.98 in this gray ceramic pot from Proven Winners Leaf Joy. They're calling her the Golden Girl. They also had these H2O bowls with many different varieties of plants, from peace lilies to philodendrons, calatheas, and pothos varieties in them. And even some of your anthuriums. They also have these terrariums here. These overpriced terrariums. They have a variety of plants in them. I think it's about 2 to 3 different plants in the terrariums. Some more of those H2O bowls that don't seem to be selling in my store. I don't know, they just be sitting there. And these larger terrariums that are even more expensive for $34.98. These actually have hoyas in them, I noticed. The Hoya fitchii, as well as the Hoya species affinity Britoniae variegated. Those are the only 2 Hoyas that I've noticed in the terrariums in my location. I really think they should just sell those terrariums separately. I do like the terrariums, they just need to be sold separately and for a lower price. Here they have some succulents and cacti available that really look like they've had better days. They've been here for a while and they need new homes. So if you're into succulents and cacti, save these babies. They are going for $4.98 or 68. Couldn't really tell. Up top, they have some of your yucca plants, some ponytail palms, as well as some cowboy cacti. These yuccas are going for $16.98. This cowboy plant is going for $19.98. And over here, they have some of your sansevierias. These are all going for $16.98. And yes, I know they have been, their name was changed to Dracaenias, but I still call them sansevierias because that's just what I'm used to calling them. Here in the Wick and Grow plants, they have some of these philodendron Brazils. They had some sad looking money trees that are probably rotted. Some of these pink photonias, not photonias, waffle plants. Some ferns here, some crotons, some ivies. Same stuff they always have in the Wick and Grow. They also have some Dracaenias, the purple waffle plant, some more philodendron Brazils down here. And I think that one plant there is called the dragon's tongue or something like that. Here they have some beautiful succulent arrangement plants with some cacti as well. I don't know, but I would not group cacti and succulents together. These are going for $24.98. And then the larger ones here with the larger succulents are going for $29.98. And you get 3 huge succulents in there. Down below, they had some more of your sansevierias, and these actually go for $16.98. Here I am looking for the price, but yeah, I remember it's $16.98. Beautiful succulents, and they're nice full pots. I definitely think they're worth the money. And here goes the price, $16.98. Beautiful, beautiful succulents, or sansevierias, sorry. Here, the whale fins are going for $19.98. They also had this variegated schefflera, and that's going for $16.98, as well as the ponytail palm and the cacti. There, the large cacti were going for $19.98. A very, very sad alocasia bisma here, and a sad tortum, philodendron tortum. They did also have some ficus benjamina down there. Here they have some more cacti and succulents. And I just wanted to look further down the shelves to see if I was missing anything. Here's some more succulents. We have some more of the succulents here, arrangements. I thought these were pretty cool. I don't know what these are called. I know they're cacti and they're variegated. I thought they were cool looking and they had some more in the back. I was really tempted in grabbing one of those today, but I didn't grab one. I don't feel like I need that plant. I have a lot of tiny plants, so I don't want to add anything else. Some more cacti and succulents here. And here are all of their hanging baskets. I wanted to show you this ivy because I thought it was so beautiful. The variegation along the edge of the leaves was so pretty. Then I spotted this Hoya species Affinity Bretonniae, looking nice and lush. This pot is going to go for $16.98. The larger pots go for $20.98. They also had this pothos, neon pothos. Beautiful lush pot as well, starting to trail here. They also had the philodendron lemon lime, if you can see there. They had some ferns, some peperomias, and this Tradescantia here. Don't know which variety this one is, just says Tradescantia on the tag. If you know the variety of this Tradescantia, say it or type it down below in the comments, please, to let everybody know. This pothos here is labeled Marble Queen. I would definitely call this a Snow Queen because she's more white than green. They also had this beautiful twisted lipstick plant. Twister lipstick plant is what they're calling it. Really cute lipstick plant. I haven't tried that variety yet, but maybe in the future I will. I do love my Thai pink lipstick plant. And she's been very easy for me. And here's just a look at the rest of the hanging baskets that they have. They had a lot of those twisted lipstick plants. They also had this ficus here. Not really sure what kind of ficus it is. It says Pumila. And here they have some of your orchids. Down below, they had some more of the Wick and Grow pots. Some very beautiful petunias as well as syngoniums here and the snow white waffle plants. Some ferns, philodendrons. The last Hoya here of that kind. I don't remember if that was the Sabah or Cressy petiolata. They had these orchids for $29.98. I believe they actually have them on sale. I will show you the price in a minute. Here are some beautiful blooms. I think these super vibrant ones are dyed. Yep, these are going for $14.98. Then they have the smaller ones. I believe they're cheaper. And then I noticed this one is on a circle trellis. I never seen them put on a circle trellis, or maybe I never noticed it before, but I thought that was pretty cool. Here are some self-watering pots for $9.98. I thought this ivy was super beautiful, but she looked like she has spider mites already. This beautiful, vibrant Spitonia here. They also had this Dracinia, some more ivies, ferns, and this peace lily here. And then I'm going to try to show you this wild bloom it has. Super cute. And then they had these pots in the back here that are the Wick and Grow as well, but they are going for $19.98. They have some aglaonemas in them. Some beautiful aglaonemas. Really nice. Very sad and thirsty looking peace lily there. This Vigoro sign tricked me. I thought these were on sale, but they're actually not. They are regular price $15.98. That is the regular price. I don't even know why they put a sign up. But they had some of the pink princess philodendrons available. And here I'm just looking at some of them to show you the variegations that they have. I think some of these have some nice variegations. Some have less, some have more. They also had some of the golden pothos, these calatheas here. I don't know if it's the medallion or rosiopicta. They also had a very easy to care for plant that I would recommend anyone to get is the ZZ plant. And here they have some of the parlor palms. These are spider mite magnets, I believe. They always look like they have spider mites. Then they have these aglionemas, and I was just zooming in there because that is what would happen to my aglionemas. I'm just in overwater, so yeah. And then they have the ficus here for $15.98 as well. This is a pretty good deal because you're getting quite a few plants in there, and they grow to be big trees, you guys. They also had these fiddle leaf figs here, and I think that is the smaller variety. Correct me if I'm wrong. Down below, they had some bromeliads and aglionemas. I'm sorry, anthuriums and bromeliads. Some more of the wick and grow plants. I'm not sure what this plant is called. If you know the name of this plant, leave it down below in the comments, please. And back here, they had some of the Mandula pothos. It's going a little brown here, a little brown, but she's a beautiful plant and easy to care for. Some ivies. I think that the Mandula pothos is a slower growing plant, almost like the Enjoy. Look at these super vibrant colors on this plant. I don't remember what that's called. Some more ivies, ferns, peperomias, and Mandula pothos. Some Dracaenias, not Dracaenias, Dieffenbachias. Some more crotons, peace lilies, and back here they had some of these beautiful, beautiful begonias. See, this is what tempts me, you guys, like this full, lush, beautiful pot right here. I was so tempted in picking this one up, but I just don't know if she would be able to live in ambient conditions in my home or not, because my home is a little bit drier. I think my humidity gets as low as 30% and goes as high as 50 and not any higher than that. Here are some of their larger floor plants. And this one here I thought was really nice with the white edges. I don't know if this is an aglionema or a Dieffenbachia, but it's going for $26.98. Here are some more of their orchids, and they have some more philodendrons down below. This mixed pot here that they had put together for Mother's Day is going for $24.98. And I think you get about 5 or 6 plants in those pots, which I think is a good deal. If you don't have any of these plants, you can separate them all, pot them all up individually, and yeah, you have multiple plants. And here I'm just spinning it around to show you all the different plants that can come in a pot. Here are some more of the Vigoro plants. They had a Stramanthe trio star here, and not Vigoro. This is a proven winner's leaf joy plant. Then they have a ZZ. So that is everything for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on that bell to get notified.